everyone is annoyed with this. Whether you're like Wales, free to play or anything, you're annoyed with this basically. We're just gonna move over right here. I wanna show you guys this thing right here. I wanna show you guys this. So yeah, that's what I wanna show you earlier. And it's like the argument that we had earlier, right? It's like the argument that we had earlier. So yeah, link please. Yeah, let's link this right here. So yeah, we were talking about this earlier, and I told you guys, I told everyone from the start, right? It's gonna happen, man. It's gonna happen. So yeah, and then people are complaining about like this right here. So yeah, and you tell me that like the problem is like oh, using grudge is the problem. You tell me that's the problem. Is that the problem, dude? Is that the problem? Are you sure that's the problem? I don't know. Let's read this right here, Argos memory pizza attack needs a nerf. So this is the small pizza in phase 1, So yeah, this is a terrible attack that's near impossible to avoid damage. And someone was complaining, right, Yeah, if you're trash at the game. And yes, I'm not gonna stop saying that. The moment Argos start using these people starts dying left and right. Yeah, because they didn't do the mechanic. Played Argos so much that at one point I was avoiding all its damage except the memory pizza attack. You didn't play enough apparently. Because like how do you not avoid the memory attack, man, Even if I stand on the final position with protective potion as a gunslinger, I still take about 40% of damage to the HP. Yeah, because you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do the mechanic, not, not 20% of the mechanic. What were you expecting? You expecting to take a protective potion? He's talking about shield potion, basically the thing that gives you shield. So yeah, I'm sure there are some gods who can do it the right way, but for us monster it's too much. So we're gods, boys. Hell yeah, we are gods here. Oh yeah, we are gods. We are gods. POV pay to win player. I don't know, man. If you're pay to winning, you're not taking 40% damage. Because like your gear can basically like make you take less damage at least, at the very least, right? You still take damage, but at least like you can just like you just chuck potion like no tomorrow. So yeah, we're gods, man. We are gods apparently. So yeah, I'm sure they're already, and Argos spams it constantly. I mean, it's just a standard mechanic that they do, that Argos do, just like how Argos do the horn attack or the charging attack. Yeah, same thing. Yesterday I was finally able to beat it because by some major luck there was support in our party. That being said, why is every boss designed thinking there will be support but doesn't even let you premiate unless you complete it once? No, the boss is designed to be completed without even support. The support just be able to like babysit your sorry ass because trash. That's why right there. And you can't tell me I'm wrong, Can't does it like hurt your feelings when I say that? Does it hurt? Yeah, well, sue me. How about that? I don't know, man. This is like this is just I told you that like when like the tier 1, tier 2 and everything, and then now tier 3 is gonna happen right here. So yeah. Now you're gonna complain that like oh, we don't have support, we can't do it or anything like that. So I don't know, man. This is like you're supposed to learn the mechanic, and if like memory is too hard to you, I don't know, man. Like is elementary school too hard or something? By major luck, support was in our party, because when you have a support, right, the support can shield you with their awakening to actually like not do the mechanic basically. So yeah, I don't know, man. Seems like how it is NAU at its finest. Seems like it right there. What am I supposed to do right there? Just play cinematic and drop loot after? Yeah, probably. Maybe that's the way to go. Cinematic, drop loot after, and then people won't complain, right? So yeah. Godsend Law can block the whole thing. You can use Godsend Law as well, but basically that's like support capabilities, right? But the boss is not designed with having a support on the party. No, the boss is designed to be clear to when you actually have a brain to actually understand how the mechanic works. Yeah, the first time you do it, if you're blind, you cannot do it. But surely you understand after like seeing it a few times, right? Surely, If you get asked like 1+1 and you don't know because you're like I don't know, elementary school, and then they tells you 2, then at some point you should know that it's 2, right? But I don't know. People want to one-shot everything in this game as if this game were PoE. Well, I don't know if it's PoE or anything. I feel like PoE players would know, because like in PoE, boxing has mechanics as well. I don't think this is PoE players. Again, man, I don't think this is WoW players, Final Fantasy players, PoE players. No, because those people, they would know what to do with it, and they actually are understanding how to do it right there. They would understand how to do it, then they would just do it. But yeah, WoW players don't know, but they will know. So yeah, these are non-MMO players, probably, yeah. I don't know. As far as I know, people that I know, right, they understand here and there. So I think it depends. So yeah, what do you think a time stop potion is for? It's for bad people, for Argos. You don't need time stop potion to stop incoming damage for a certain time. What do you think the supports are for? To carry your sorry ass, cause you cannot do mechanic. To give you healing and shields. Took some damage from the mechanics, so what? Be better at the game, stop complaining about simple gimmicks while researching on solution first. At least this part is correct. These raids are supposed to challenge you, and you complaining will not change anything. Trust me. The thing is, like, it does change, you know. Because you look at like a tier 1, tier 2, right? If like there is like so small like a clear rate in Argos, they will nerf it again. No buff damage right there. I guess, yeah. Support doesn't buff her, yeah. Mess up the timing first time, I tried it and died. Then I never take damage from memory pizza again. I do the mechanics even if there was a support in my party. I like to develop good habits. There we go. This guy know what to do right here. Very helpful in cases we run without support. I hope they will not be nerfing tier 3 content ever. Yeah, this is the right mindset here. This is what you should have right here. And you complain about like grudge killing you. No, what's killing you is not grudge, dude. No, what's killing you is your this right here. If that's too hard to understand. So yeah. Yeah, I don't know, develop good habits, man. Where they got it nerfed? I don't know, man. I don't know if it's actually is or not, nor do I care. The problem is, basically, this is what happens, right? So yeah, nerf everything, yeah, nerf everything. Don't even need to avoid it, you can use HP potion or time freeze or have support. You only need to stay in the correct position by the 5th hit. Learn the game instead of cry out. Well, to be fair, you also don't know how to do it. So yeah, this is not what you're supposed to do it. This is not how you're supposed to, you know, do the mechanic. See, this is why, like, you know, removing like one shot mechanic is such a bad way to actually do this thing. It's such a bad way. Because like you get people like this, you know, oh, because it's not one shot, oh, you don't need to avoid it, just use HP potion or like time stop potion. So yeah, I don't know. It just develop bad habit basically for your general player base. Now you get into like this Argos, and then now you ask for another nerf because of this. So yeah, I don't know. Clock mechanic, clock mechanic. Which one is that? Most you're talking about? Just tank it, dude. Tank it, or tank it. Just do the mechanic. Well, doing the mechanic is too difficult, man. Oh god, are you serious? If you can't do that, Mac, use time stop or ask your support to give a shield or don't play it. Please don't ask for nerfs for content. Taking support is always good, especially you're going with min eye level. Well, that's not the issue, right? But learning Mac is like one of the best part of the game, in my opinion. Not for an AU, apparently. So yeah. Is this your reasoning asking for a nerf? Maybe actually work out what kind of things you can do first to avoid this issue before complaining about it. Various ways to live this issue. Number 1, being support, giving big temporary shield. You can actually learn mechanic, and yes, you might need a few more tries before you can nail it down to perfection. Same goes with other people. Yeah, exactly. You know, you learn it, and then after that, like yeah, you learn it again and again and again. That's how you're supposed to proc a raid. You know, if your first reaction is nerf because people keep dying, then what do you play MMORPG for? Not for the challenge, at least. I don't know. Play Farmville, I guess. What do you mean you can't pre-made this boss? What? Did he say that? You can pre-made this without having completed before? Oh, maybe like the no support, I guess. The no support or something like that. And yeah, you can. I don't know. No way is he complaining about memorization? I don't know, it's a B. He said that it's near impossible to avoid damage. So yeah, people who complain have louder voice than happy ones. Yeah, understandable. I understand that, of course, yeah. The minority is the one that complains about it. But I mean, like, it's the same thing as like with the tier 1, tier 2, you know? And if the tier 1, tier 2 sets precedence for it, then the tier 3 will have the same thing, don't you think? That's basically how it goes right there. Don't play Gunslinger if you're gonna cry about getting one-shotted. Yeah, should play Warlord instead and shield yourself, right? That is true. Play Gunlancer instead, like a Giga Chat. 2 stone in NA. Yeah, I don't know. And that's what I was trying to say right there. And people came and then like crying about me calling them like trash right there. So yeah, I don't know about you, man. It doesn't look like Grudge is what's killing you here. So yeah, that DPS don't do DPS. Well, you're dead either way. So yeah, so what's the difference? Might as well just take someone that actually do something. I don't know, man. It's just how it is right there. With comparisonness, my gauge never mistake, but I feel like the Roger have just been reverted to their care version instead of nerfing mechanic, just nerf their HP because she takes so long on alt. I don't know. Taking so long on an alt, I guess you just solo it or something like that. But either way, it's a different issue. And tier 1, tier 2 doesn't matter. Who cares? No one matters. So a little slow memorization before I can memorize the whole pattern. It gives me, I'm kinda thinking about like step 2 and 3. Oh yeah, of course, Sonnen, you know. And memory is like, you know, some people have issue with like memory mechanic, but that doesn't mean that like, you know, it's impossible to avoid the damage. It just takes you longer to learn. It just takes you longer to learn. Simple like that, you know. Plus it's an 8-man raid. You can also follow someone that knows what they are doing, you know. That's also another method right there. If like you're in the raid and then you don't know what to do, right? But I know what to do. Just follow my character. How about that? You can do that as well. There are like other ways to do it. Then at some point you will learn. But you know, it's not impossible to avoid the damage. That's a part of the learning. No one comes into like the raid and then suddenly already isn't a god. You know, it's already a god at the game. No one does that. So yeah, I don't know. Planning on getting hit. I guess I mean like he's planning to get hit. So yeah, he's planning to get hit, that's why. Isn't EU bigger portion? No clue, Lana. It doesn't matter basically. What matters is that this is the NAU version. So yeah. They're gonna follow you on Carcosa and wipe. That's gonna happen as well. So tired of between noobs rushing eye level, getting crushed by bosses because they don't know mechanics and then asking for nerfs. Seems like that's how it goes, I guess. But I don't know. I mean, like again, this is like just the minority. Right? This is a vocal minority. But like, what can we do, right? So yeah. But you should stop blaming people. The game needs no honor. When people are complaining, we have to agree there is an issue and try to see how to address it. If people are complaining, we have to agree there is an issue and try to see how to address it. So you're gonna say that basically when people are complaining that Abro shoot is too hard, nerf Abro shoot then. So yeah, how do you address it then, Mahera? I don't know. By your like a genius mind, how do you like address this? I don't know. I'm open to suggestion right now. Aside from like, you know, the person needs to get better. Saying we need a big papa, saying learn the mechanics. Maybe, I guess. I don't know. So, training mode for Argos, yeah. Normal hard hell mode fixes that. Remove all raids and challenges. Well, you might as well just remove all the content, you know. And then like you press click, watch the cutscene, and then you get the reward already. That is true, yeah. People complain that their ship breaks in dangerous water. I guess like we just remove dangerous water right there. So yeah. The issue is content coming too fast. I don't think that's an issue per se. Because like whether content like comes fast or not, this will happen anyway. I don't think it will change anything. The game is new here, people will suck now, so I actually would like to run more than once a week Abysses so I can practice without rewards, of course. I don't know. I mean, like, it's the way it is right here. I mean, like, nothing. I don't know. The argument of like, you know, if people are complaining and then like, that means like there is an issue that you need to address. But I don't know, man. I mean, like, I don't know what's your reasoning for this. Because like whether the content like comes out early, late, comes out next year or something like that, I don't think like this guy will change, you know. I don't think like that will change his perception because it's basically his first time doing Argos anyway, even if it is next year that is coming out. So I don't know. Will there be on eye level, guys? I'm not sure, Mozu. uh, there is some sneaker. Okay. Well, either way, that's how it is right here, you know. So I wanted to show this because like we were arguing about like one thing earlier. So I don't know. I just wanted to show this basically. And all I can say is just like told ya, because that's what I said when they first did it. And then, like that's what I said when these monkeys get to like a tier 3. So nothing we can do about that, I guess. Wasting mechanics in Legion raid. Maybe you can do that, I guess. I don't know. This is just like how the NAU is going on. This is how it is going as well in the forum as well. So nothing we can do about it, right? I just the only thing I can do is just see what's gonna happen in NAU, and I'm just not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna say whatever I'm thinking, and the good thing is I don't care what you think. So yeah. And if that hurts your feelings, I don't know, sue me, I guess. Other than that, this is NAU version. Nothing we can do about it, so yeah. Forum is suspect, yeah. Are they complaining and this in care as well? Like these people always exist? There are always right there, Cookie. There are always, yeah. But I mean, like the mentality is not that, you know. When there are people that complain, like let's say like people complain Argos memory mechanic is too hard, right? Everyone in the bottom in the comment will say that like, you know, okay, learn this, you know, this is not what you're supposed to do. Watch this video, there is a guide here and there if you can't do it. That's the difference. Instead of like yeah, nerf, just nerf everything basically. That's the difference right there. The mentality is different. But yeah. Do we get the nerf version Argos on EUNA? I don't know, Mystic. I don't know. Some people say it is, some people say it didn't. I personally don't really care. Because nerf or not, it doesn't change anything. Not for this guy. So yeah. Oh well, that's how it is right there. If everything goes to shit, well, I mean like I just take a one-way train back to Korea anyway. So it's not a problem right there. So far has been boringly easy, and you're not wrong about that, awesome. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. The mentality is different for like raiders usually. It's basically like you know, I don't know, some casual Andes or something. Alright, well, we'll get back to it then. We'll get back to it.